Hello, welcome to Kogence. Here, Technex 18 presents Kogence in association with NVIDIA, Amazon Web Services, and VM Services. Here, so let me first tell you about the Kogence. Kogence is a computational problem-solving platform. It's a super cloud computing platform. Uh, Many simulators available on the site. For example, MATLAB, Octave, Caffe, Labs, Python. These are all various simulators available on the site. You can see you can perform any model simulation on any platform you want. Right now I want to work on Octave, that's why I'm selecting Octave. So here, as you can see, this page tells you about detailed instructions for using Octave and Kogence. These are the various steps that you should know to run a simulation. And in the end of the page, you will see various models that are on this site Octave. Also, you can see all the models that are available on the site on the models page. So now this page shows all the models that are available on the Kogence. You can choose any specific model using this search text bar, or you can sort according to your wish. So I was looking for Octave model. So I'm selecting Octave here. So you can see that Technics 18 is providing this online simulation event. There will be prizes worth 35,000. So you will get three problem statements that there are three levels. So first level will be on 15 December. So now you can select any model you want to see, any simulation you want to see. So now you can click on that model. So this is the total page. These are the pages for that simulation. The main three tabs are Wiki, Discuss page, and Files page. This Wiki page tells you about the simulation, for example, the software used, related models, and the model results. There is also a discussion tab which allows you to interact with the owner of the model. You can ask questions. So after that, Files page. This page will tell you all the files that are related with this specific model. So you can open any file you want by double clicking on it. But right now I have not signed in. So these files, to get this file open, you have to sign in. You can also see that these three buttons are inactive right now. So to make this button active and to run a simulation, you have to sign in. Type your email address and your password. Click submit. After logging in, you can see this is my models page. These are all my models that I worked on. So you can run a simulation by clicking on it. This was the model page octave charting demonstration. Just remember, if you have any doubt regarding anything, you can comment on the live chat and I'll reply as soon as I see them. So at first, let me go through it again. I clicked on models library, then sorted the models according to the software used, and then open the software. Sorry, simulation. Selecting octave here to see all the models related with the octave. Now I'm opening a simulation that I want to see. So earlier I told you that there were buttons that were inactive. Now as you have logged in, you will see that buttons are active. And you can also see all the files and the content of the file. Just double click on a file you want to see. This will lead you to the page of its content. So this is the total content of that file. Now to run a simulation, you can see that these two buttons are still inactive. So copy that model to your own library. Here's the title. Change its permission to public or private. It's your own wish. By making it private, it will be available only to you. So now I have copied that model. Now you can see that these two buttons are also now active. Now to visualize a model, I will click run. You can see that simulation was submitted. Launching simulation in cloud. That means the cloud computing supercomputer has now run the simulation. It's looking for machine. You can see the machines also. You can change the setting. Right now I select two CPU, 3.75 GB memory. Software I'm using here is Octave. You can see that it's Octave. Force input command is force GUI. So you can see we have a various large supercomputers which have 1 TB memory also. So let me tell you one thing, that at first when you run the simulation, it will take approximately 2 to 3 minutes to run a simulation because the machine takes to boot up for the first time. For the second time when you run the machine, it will run a little faster. You can see the system is running the simulation.
So if I have to create a new model, just click on create new model and perhaps create a title.
Let me tell you back to the my models library.
And add this
This is
into
my
the model.
models library. You can see that this simulation is initializing.
And give it a permission. And
Just
once I
click
create
on.
this model, it will be created as a new model. Uh, it's the same kind of model dashboard. So after this, I hope that you learn how to run your own model on the cloud. After this, you can see in the forum page here. This thing is a very
So it's
simple
taking a little
forum
bit more
regarding all
time.
the
I'm
doubts
working on it.
that you have regarding
Now
the
changing,
Kogence library,
trying some other model.
Kogence platform, anything related to model libraries, upcoming features, some bugs, reviews, and proposal in this particular page so that uh, the owners can look at it and perhaps get it solved. Something else, which is very similar
So
to
now you
the
can see
one
that
I've
the simulation
already
is now running.
on the
Now
model
it's time to visualize that.
discuss page. Very similarly, as you can see, there is an entire thread created here on this topic, say, working on your project. There is a conversation which has been solved by someone. You can add start a new topic
So now
according to your
visualize that
convenience
model.
or doubt and go and ask them questions regarding it. So this was about the simulators, creating a model, running it on the cloud.
See that is now connecting to
You must
visualizer.
have received some of the other challenge here.
I must tell you
Perhaps
that my network is a little slow. That's why it's taking a longer time.
solution for all the
On a fast network, it will grow a little.
15 December, the common features for these challenges will be released, and the ideal challenge will be taking place in steps or in levels, as you will say. So the introductory level begins on 15 December. Steps, the three levels will be following this. So then we will be having more of these webinars, which will take you practical knowledge provided here. There is also a live chat option on the as amazing for this. I have say my already used simulation challenge. I can go to this tab. Create models and run them on the cloud. This will help you get familiar with this platform and that you are not stuck up in your favorite part of the time. And as I said, there will be more webinars which will take you to more technical stuff, which is making the sounding about. So I hope this will suffice for getting. Okay, I doubt will how to exit from the visual data. That's all. A simulation, I just need to go once again. Once you visualize model, you go to the cloud page. You can just click on the back button from there. I will do it. But you don't want to go to my model once again. You can just go on back and then click on stop. It will take your model off the simulator, take your model off the cloud.
Again, you
If you
can
have
see I
an
have logged in from ID and right now I'm doing the simulation,
this simulation, so the
opening
comment
the
of
simulation page, and after that running the machine. After that, it will run. On MATLAB. You see, there is two tools.
once I open the webinar, as you can see, I can stop it there. So I can just click on the stop button, and if I want to visualize screen, I can just click on that, and I have to just take this will take it off my cloud computation. However, the visualizer it will be very fast. At this time, the run function will take a lot of time because the system is a reflection of many people. I think that clarifies without. I think another thing which I need to address right now. So I think that should be all from here regarding updates. Keep checking your mail as you will be getting more updates through your mail as you are subscribed to the mailing list. Keep updated and be prepared for this challenge, which has a total price value of total price worth 35,000 US dollars.
So as you can see, the simulation is now run. I'm now visualizing the simulation. Now it's running very fast. I'm trying to visualize. So now you can see it's connected to Present Interactive. Now this will lead you to the direct mainframe of the software. So this is the mainframe of the software. It's like you're using the software on your own computer. This is the resource monitor. This will tell you about all the things, the memory, the total bytes receiving, and the CPU. There are 16 core CPU.
Applica visual assistant, por eso,